So guys, I just wanted to know that I'm get back again to this. So guys, I got my streaming live is banned, is disabled by the platform because wait. Oh, yan ang sa akin. Ano daw? Patako din? So yeah, guys, my live streaming is disabled because I don't add. Di ko nilagyan ng di ko nilagyan ng I don't add my age and my birthday. So yeah. So the kids watching me will be affected. Yes. So yeah.
Presensya ko, buti naman. At pakisabi din sa katabi mo, huwag masyado bumisangot at medyo hindi na magandang itsura. Yung kulay yun. Alam mo, may mga bisita talaga tayo dito sa stasyon eh. Gusto nila magsalita, feeling ko.
So yeah, I'm about to game stupid game. Yeah. Yes. So apparently I'm waiting for the response of this platform to respond to me and said and will be response and I receive what they said why my live stream is disabled. So I'm just waiting for it. Meanwhile, yes.
Monday, February 16. Uy, aga-uwi yan. Bakit walang pasok bukas? Yes, tomorrow is a Chinese New Year. Sheshe Mureche. Alam mo kapag ka-Chinese New Year, ang mga tipikal na ginagawa ni Marathon. Ay, syempre, doon tayo sa malagkit. Ang malagkit, tapos alagyan mo ng itlog. Masarap niya malagkit, itlog, pagsamahin mo, subo, perfect. Yung mga magluluto ka ng tikoy. Ay, sabi nga rin nila, kapag ka nagluluto ka ng malagkit, kapag ka-Chinese New Year.
Uy, ito may gold ang kulay. Yellow. Gold na ba yan? Yellow lang. Yellow. May ulan na atang gold yan. Ano, hindi ko ma-chip yung gold. Magano ka?